Isn't it wild how AI is shaking things up so much that it feels like we're living through a real turning point?
Okay, according to Ravindra Dustikope, it really does seem like one of those moments, like electricity or the internet. It's all about how cheap and easy it is to get intelligence now.
So it's not about robots taking over, but more about how our jobs are changing because thinking tasks are becoming automated.
Exactly. The article says it's shifting the focus from just doing tasks to really thinking about the problems and owning the results. It concentrates responsibility.
Okay, so instead of panicking, we should figure out what AI can automate, accelerate, or even elevate in our work.
That's right. People aren't being replaced by machines, but rather when they are unable to articulate what unique value they add beyond the machine.
It sounds like things are changing for software engineers too. They'll be writing less code, but taking on more responsibility.
Right. Dastikop mentions that AI can generate code, but engineers will be in charge of designing systems and deciding what to build.
This reminds me of another article that I read that discusses the value of clarity. It says that clarity reduces fatigue. I wonder why.
Well, unclear outcomes keep work mentally open, which is really draining. When things are clear, the mind can actually feel like the work is resolved.
The manufacturing sector is also experiencing fundamental transformation. So what's AI's role in all of this?
The factories will be able to learn from experience. Traditional automation follows rules, but AI learns from experience.
So what are we talking about here? Less downtime and better quality, right?
Oh, absolutely. AI enables factories to learn, predict, and adapt. This shift is redefining how products are designed, produced, inspected, and delivered.
I think it is a good spot to stop. It's all about humans and machines learning together.